Come sail away. Look how pretty that is. And this is actually perfect because we just came from Boracay, and Boracay does have this sort of sunset look to it. Obviously, it's an exaggeration with, the swirls in the sky, and, that's the Vincent van Gogh influence. But the sailboat amidst the beautiful orange yellow sunset on top of the water, it's just very Boracay actually. So, this is a beautiful painting. What do you guys think? This is by Trier. So I've got the link down below in the description if you'd like to check it out and also get your very own Trier Come Sail Away painting. This comes in different sizes, so go ahead and check it out. And then we have the other one, which is the Moonstone. This is actually very, very pretty. Look at that. This is by Shannon. We will have more from Shannon at the shop very, very soon. So just hang tight. In the meantime, if you are a fan of purple, check out this purple sky. Isn't that pretty? And the colors are just so vibrant. So basically, with some of Shannon's designs, when they get converted into a diamond painting, based on how the software codes the colors on his painting, it kind of ends up being washed out. And so what Reggie's done to make sure that the vividness and the vibrancy of the color of his designs, in particular with this Moonstone design, is that he has changed the contrast so that it pops out instead of getting washed out. And so this diamond painting just totally pops with color, and it's just very much alive. So a lot of this is Reggie making those changes, which I think is awesome. Great job, Reggie.
Thank you.
What do you guys think? Do you like Moonstone by Shannon? We've got these in several sizes. If you do like it or you don't, just comment down below and let us know.